Hello there, I'm Tina the Thankful Planner. Welcome back to my subscribers, and if you're new to my channel then thanks for joining me today. It's all about planning, and today it's all about a haul video. Okay, so I've got a couple of hauls that I want to show you. I have taken them out of the original packaging, but I'll show that one last because this is the one that came in second. This is more to do with what planners I'll be using in 2021, and this one is this comes from the Happy Planner. So I'm going to show you this one first. If you're interested in that, then keep watching. Okay, so here we go. So I have already opened the box, as you can see. And we have the bubble wrap. And I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to show you. And I'm actually not allowed to have this until Christmas. It's a gift from my husband, so it's a Christmas present from my husband. So I'm not allowed to use any of this stuff till Christmas, but it is an order from the Happy Planner. It's an order from their website. I like to order in plenty of time because normally like the planners that I really like, normally they're either sold out in Michael's or they don't ever actually come into Michael's. So I went to the source and I got it from the Happy Planner. It took a little while to get here, but it was definitely worth it. So let me show you. First of all, I'm going to show you the sticker books that I got. So I thought this would be really handy. I'm always looking for scripts. So this is a script book, and there's lots, and it's actually just on white paper, which I'm fine with. I actually really like the white paper because I think that it really makes the script stand out, so I really like it like that. Yeah, so plenty of scripts about all sorts of things, shopping list. So this is going to be really useful. I love that it's got the days of the week as well, so and also the months. Very, very handy. I like the style of the font, so yeah, excited to have that, but not able to use it yet. And so this one is Teresa Collins. These are specifically just Teresa Collins. I really like the Teresa Collins, and you'll see why soon. So this is the Teresa Collins pack, and this last sticker book is the minimalist sticker book, and I love the colors. I love how simple it is, and how I will be able to use it. And it's got rose gold, and I'll be able to use it, you know, we've got habit trackers, and really be able to use it in my planner. Yeah, I just really like this. I don't often buy Happy Planner sticker books anymore, but this one just really spoke to me because I just thought it would be really easy to use it and mix it with weekly kits and things like that. So yeah, really liked that. There we go. So they are the sticker books. This is why I ordered from the Happy Planner. This is my 2021 planner. It's a Teresa Collins planner. It's a deluxe version. You can see it has the gold metal discs, and if you watched any of my other videos, you'll know that. Let me just take this off. I'm going to take this off. If you've watched any of my other videos, then you'll know that my last year's planner was also a Teresa Collins planner, and this is just the book, the inside out. I've just put the cover on inside out. So this is Teresa Collins, this is Teresa Collins. So let's have a look at the differences for the 2021. And so inside cover, as you can see, is the same. And so I just wanted to show you. Okay, so look how simple it is. Sorry, let's just clear my desk a bit. Look how simple it is. It's really plain. I love that. I love that minimalistic. And it wasn't quite as simple last year. Like, we had a few more flowers and things like that. Okay, so unlike how they've gone even simpler, this is the same. This is the same. I think it's more of a pinky than a peachy this year, which I'm quite pleased with. I like the pinks rather than the peach. So as you can see, yeah, again, and we've still got the black tabs. They're the same. And so now I'm going to go to this view. So that one, okay, let me just get one that's okay, so you can see like it's very similar, and that did say notes under there. I've just covered it up. As you can see, it says notes there. And let's see if I can bring one that hasn't been filled in, because that's a little bit distracting. That one? No, I thought I had one that wasn't filled in. Oh no, maybe I filled them all in. There you go. Where's the December one though? That's curious. Maybe there isn't a December one. Yeah, there it is. Okay, there we go. So you can see again, slightly different. So the band at the top is no longer big black band, and this is all the same though. This is the same, and it says reflect on instead of monthly goals, so very similar. So this is where it's really a lot of different. I'm going to bring you back to the December monthly, which would be after this. Okay, so this is why I'm excited. We get rid of this. So on each side of this you get this peachy coloured band, which can be rather annoying when you're trying to plan, because then you know the spread has got to go with this peachy colour. So I'm so happy that she took it out. I'm also happy that these are gone, although they didn't really bother me a lot. It's really nice to have it just plain like this. And something I've noticed is like these black dots would go all, like this is totally plain. Look at that. I mean, look at the difference. And look at that, you see, so you've got, it still had these peachy, and it was better. The best one that I'd found that was minimalistic, you know, that didn't have all the colours and that some of the happy planners do. This was the closest I could find, but this is just like exactly what I want. So I'm just really happy with it. All of this has gone too, like on every page you'd get these black dots. That's gone as well. So yeah, it's a really cool improvement. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I think they've done a super job. I'm so excited to get in there and start planning in it. It will be so much easier to do a lot of the planning that I like to do. So, and kits will work better. No more whiting out. So thank you. I love it. I'm very happy with it. Okay, so that was the big for 2021. That was my major one. That is my catch-all planner. But what I have got into in the last month or so is a B6 planner. And so I did order a nice, really nice cover from Tunisia actually. It's from Naya Paperie. It's handmade, it's custom made, and I will get it out of the box, out of the bag now. You get this lovely bag with it. And so let's look at the B6 first. So here it is. It's a beautiful leather, and the finish is really, I mean, it's really well finished. Look, the edges are smooth, really smooth. You've got your pen loop. It smells delicious. And then I've got the 4 strings one. I like the 4 strings one because you can always extend it if you want to. You don't have to. And so let me see if I can just come in a bit closer so you can have a little bit closer look at the workmanship on that. And then obviously we've got the 2 pockets there, and then the bigger pocket, and then this back pocket. But I mean, just look at the leather on it. It's gorgeous, and it's like a what I would call neutral, maybe a natural colour. I don't know. It's not tan. Maybe what you would call nude, sort of like a nude colour. Okay, so that is really cool. I can't use it unfortunately yet. I have to wait till Christmas, but I'm showing it to you here. And so the add-ons I got was this, which is a magnet bookmark. I thought it was really nice. That's a logo. It's really nice. It's really tasteful. And there you can see her logo stamped on the back there too. And then I also got this little pen holder, which I don't really need. I just thought it'd be really nice. And if I'm ordering all the way to Tunisia, I'm not going to be ordering that again. So I thought just get it all together. And then finally in the package, I did get these which are you put, you know, like journaling cards and things like that in, and then you put that, you wrap that around your B6 inserts, so you can make sort of like your own covers and that for them if you like. So that's all of that. So I'm very pleased. So now you've seen some of my, maybe my only part lineup for 2021, and you know, I really got into the B6, and let me just show you, like, this is the one that I actually didn't know was coming, so I ordered this before I knew that I would be getting this one. This one, let me pull you out a little bit. This one came in the subscription box for the subscription box for Simply Gilded, and so I thought, well, I might as well use it. My other one hadn't arrived yet, but I'm just finding it so useful. Like, I love the way that you've got everything separated out. So you've got like notebook. So this little insert here is for just monthly, like I put my appointments in there and things like that. This one, I use this one from online shopping. You know, but you can use them for whatever you like, really. Like, really, that's what I like. It's like completely what you're like. Here is my my weekly spreads that I like to do. I like to do B6 weekly spreads too. I like doing them. This is my hobby. So these are weekly spreads for B6. And this one is, what is it? Oh, this one is like a memory spread for occasions I like to do. A little bit more fun with it. And this one is my Bible study. I just print out different ones. And this one, the back one, is always my notes. So my daily, like, I have that beside my desk, and I scribble notes all the way through the day, and then that helps me when I'm pre-planning, and it also helps me to know what I've achieved during the day. So very useful. So that's my that's what I use my B6 for, and I'm looking forward to using my new one. So thanks for joining me in this haul video. I'm sorry about the background sound of my little lilybug snoring. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe and click on notifications so you know when I'm loading up a video. I'm over on Instagram if you want to join me over on there at The Thankful Planner. So enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.